The question is non-stoichiometric cuprous oxide, formula is Cu2O, can be prepared in a laboratory. In this oxide, copper to oxygen ratio is slightly less than 2:1. Can you account for the fact that this substance is a p-type semiconductor? So, in this given compound Cu2O, the charge on Cu is +1. You can see the charge on O is -2 and here +2 and 2 copper. So, +2 by 2 it gives us +1. The charge on copper in normal compounds is +2. So, Cu2 plus will try to replace Cu +1 in atmospheric conditions. This will lead to a generation of positive charge holes, which are the cause of conductivity in p-type semiconductor. This is very basic of p-type semiconductor, that conductivity in p-type semiconductors are caused due to the presence of positive charge holes. So given compound can act as p-type